And the tune is Walking in the Parlor. It's from the playing of Wade Ward from Virginia, and Franklin George, and Highwood String Band as well. There are very simple lyrics that I don't remember totally, but they're, I'll tell you what I saw. I saw Geff walking in the parlor.
So the fiddle is tuned to standard tuning, G, D, A, E.
And the banjo is tuned in double D, starting from the fat string, D, A, D, E, and then my fifth string is up at A.
So I'll start by playing the tune very simply. John Hartford refers to this as playing the fence posts. Then I'll play it a couple more times with a little bit of extra stuff, and then Masha will do the same thing on the banjo. Okay. This the first four beats are called four potatoes. Okay. Okay.
My turn.
Your turn.
That was a little messy, but we'll go with it anyway.
Okay. Now we're going to play it together again, one time through, very simply and slower, and then we'll just launch into time 2 and time 3 with sort of a more regular speed. And then we're done. Okay.